If you alive, subscribe. This is I'm gonna say an okay order. It's $38. It's 2 different orders. It's about 30 items. I really just took it because well, I took it because it's cool, but I took it also as going by my house. So, you know, that's always gravy. It's 26 items on one and 2 on the other. That's how I like it. Even though the first order got a lot of items, the second one that don't got that many, I could just throw them anywhere here. So this is just a gravy order for me because it's going right by my house. So we're gonna get it. They're telling me they're saying 30. You can see it, 32 minutes. Ain't happening. Park my basket right here. I'm gonna just grab. I'm just gonna. They want a lot of stuff here in the produce section. I'm gonna just grab. Y'all know every time I leave, I grab about 2 or 3 items just because. Never leave your basket and go in the area where a lot of stuff is and don't grab it. So yeah, you gotta use your time wisely like that. Bananas are looking really, really good. Okay. Let me see what I got in the freezer. Got this in the freezer and that. I'll be right back. I always try to show you how to save, save your time. Item. 2 items at once. Let me see, is anything? Yes, one more thing. Let me see. And even though it seems like I say 30 items is a lot of stuff, but that's not just a lot of stuff. Okay. Next turns is yes, we do got next turns. Okay. Now I always check back to make sure I don't skip over anything. Let's find this wine. Sometimes I can tell by the price where this wine is because but sometimes I just have to look. But I think this is it. I think this is it. Yes, it is. I always tell you guys to know where your stuff is. If you know what this stuff is, it's gonna keep you out of these stores for a long time. Here's my basket. A little pushy this morning. I'm gonna grab something. Like chicken and shopping for chicken, It's pretty scarce these days. There we go. There we go. I had to make a switch. I had to make a switch out. They didn't have the one they want. One. Be real careful with your switch out. My rating has been low lately, and I don't know why, but maybe because of my switch out. Even though they've been good switch outs, the customer might didn't want them. So that's just what I'm thinking.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Good. Go Costco. Costco keep you something to test to eat. Okay. You got here. And this is chicken ravioli. I know it's good. I love chicken. I was just talking about chicken. You shop, you make money, and you get to eat. What a combo.
How you doing?
Now. Okay. Getting down to the last of the areas. There we go. Okay. Beverage softness cascade. This is the price we know in this store. It's not a good feeling to be in here all day. If you're in these stores all day, you're missing great orders. Trust me, I know. Okay. What's done here? I always keep a check on my app just to make sure I don't skip nothing up. I'm not gonna skip this. I don't take my basket everywhere I go. It's just heavy. I'll park it at the corner and go get what I need. Because I like to keep going in a straight line instead of wasting my time. Three doggy foods. That's order B. I'll put that at the bottom. Okay. I will tell you, I'll park them again and I'll go get what I need. See how I save a lot of time? that. And that's that. And let's roll. Let the good times roll. Okay. Boom, boom. Okay. They said 30 minutes. I said about 15. I'll get it done at that time. Instead of you getting all tired and getting worked up, I told you, just learn where the stuff is. Okay. Now, apple cider vinegar. Where you at? Here we go. Here we go. Apple cider vinegar. Throw that right there. Okay. Boom, boom. Couple items down. 2. Let's get it. That's why I tell you these orders are really a super breeze when you know where everything is. Right there. Excuse me. There. Bam. Okay. That's there. Bam. I just go in the line with it. That's all I do. Okay. See the reel. Right here. Let me grab something. Hey, boom. Hey, hey, boom. I'm telling you, I never waste any time. If you're alive, subscribe, man. If you want to make money with Instacart, tune in. Like and share. Start sharing my stuff. Okay. Last item. I'll be right here. Fellas, would you go buy your latest tampons? Well, I will. Especially if she's paying me. If you're live subscribe. They said 32 minutes. Look at it. Done in 13. Just because I'm the king and I know where everything is. If you're live subscribe to my channel, and I'm telling you, you will make a smoother transition in this gig working Instacart, making good money. If you're live, subscribe.